Hi everyone. Figured I'd go ahead and do like an old school contingency plan video. This is something I've been doing for years. It's real easy to do. You can do it while you're doing other things. So what I do is I take like a pill bottle and I wrap it in electrical tape. No real reason other than a little bit helps with the grip and also identifying. If you see your bottle like this with the black tape, I know it's matches. So what I do is open up a box of wooden matches and remove the strikers from both sides of the box, and then I fill the pill bottle with matches and then tear off a piece. Sort of measure it, just eyeball it, know where to rip this off, and then stuff it down in the cap. And so that's like a permanent striker. That's not going anywhere. That's always going to be there. And then I'll take the remainder, what's left over, and just stick it in here along the side as a backup. And then when you put the cap back on, you now have a waterproof bottle of wooden matches with 2 strikers in it. So this is just like I said, something I've been doing for years. I've got a whole bunch of these. You can throw these in your car, in the center console, in the glove box. You can put these in bug out bags. They take up almost no space. And anyway, just throwing that out there. Take care. God bless. Bye.